What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So right now I am working on two crazy carts. Well, mostly one, but this one is broken and I'm fixing it. I'm also modding it and putting 3D printed chargers just like mine for my friend. I'll show you that right now. But if you guys want to see a crazy cart drift battle number 2, leave a like. Yeah. And so right now I am printing the charging port for the crazy cart. These cheaper ones that you build yourself, they can be more reliable because they might break, but they don't break as easily, or like you don't have to send back the whole printer. I know a person that has the big printer, or what's it called, MakerBot Z18 and the replicator, and they have to send back both of them, the whole thing, just for a small little part. As for this, you just buy a single part that's like $5 or whatever, and then you're back. These aren't as high quality, and you don't get, you know, like a live feed camera or whatever. You can always add those on with like, what's it called? I think you need the Raspberry Pi. You hook it up to here, and you buy a live camera mod, and you just program it so that you can have live feed. Alright, so here's piece number 1 for the custom 3D printed charger that I designed. Yeah, I'm going to install this real quick and I'll be back. Alright, so here it is right now. I am printing the charging handle plug, whatever you want to call it, for this part right here. Yeah, it's only like 25% done. It takes like 2 to 3 hours because it's a pretty big piece of plastic, and that's with 10% infill. So most of this is hollow, and it still takes a lot of time. So we'll see. Alright, so I had to reprint this piece because it broke. The first one was just a little bit too small and it broke. Anyway, here's the piece. So I reprinted it. It fits now. It's a lot better. And this is what it looks like afterwards. This one's red. Mine's white. I ran out of white, and it doesn't really matter. But yeah, so when you plug it in, it charges. Same with mine. So yeah, this is also 3D printed. But yeah, so those are my 3D printed mods. I also have a 3D printed wallet. It's kind of cool. I like it. But more 3D printing videos coming. I also have a 3D printed turbo I made for a keychain. So here it is, and it does work. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Also guys, don't forget about my giveaway. It's going on right now until June 30th. So click that link in the description. It'll take you right to the website for the giveaway. Make sure when you do your entries to go back to that website and press continue to confirm your entries. Otherwise, I will not get them. So that's the only thing with this website. But that's what everybody uses this website, and so that's why I always make sure to go back to make sure I confirm my entries. So make sure you do that if you enter.